Ever feel like you're searching for the perfect freelance match, a unicorn in the project landscape? Today, we're diving deep into Toptal, a freelancing powerhouse known for its high-quality professionals. So, who exactly is Toptal? It's a global network that connects clients with the top 3% of freelance talent, specializing in areas like software development, design, and finance. Let's break it down. Toptal focuses on project-based work, meaning you'll find resources for specific tasks rather than long-term, indefinite employment. Think product launches, website overhauls, or specialized consulting. The real magic behind Toptal lies in its rigorous screening process. They carefully vet every freelancer, ensuring clients get access to only the best of the best. This can include technical assessments, industry knowledge, and communication expertise. This thorough vetting is a significant differentiator, while some freelance platforms offer quantity. Toptal emphasizes quality. This means higher rates, but also a higher likelihood of successful project outcomes. Toptal also offers a dedicated account management team who helps build successful relationships between clients and freelancers. This level of support can streamline communication and project management. Think of it as a premium service for those who want premium results, while not the cheapest option. Toptal brings unparalleled talent and support, helping you find the best freelance professionals for your project needs. That's what makes Toptal a top contender in the freelance marketplace.